guys, it's me, Monkey_215 here, and today I'm reviewing the new rain update / snow update / umbrella update. Yeah, with a little help, but we gotta go find the monkeys first. They just came out. Guys, happy Easter! Anyways, let's go check it out. I already bought one of the cosmetics.
Hey, bro, why you do that? Do one, man. Hey, look, it's me. My kid.
Mid.
Mid.
One of my favorites. Another one of my favorites. Also, alright guys, since I don't want this video to be so long, so I'm gonna go transfer to Forest, like I'm gonna disappear. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, no.
I spawned. They spawned. Alright, let's do this. So, there's this thing. There's lights all over this place.
Ooh, I like this. I like this.
There's lights over the place. Lights everywhere.
Oh, there's
Look, there's even one. Yo, there's one at the freaking tree house, bro.
Shaman Canyon.
Yeah. There's also salt rocks and canyons.
Yo, check out my crib, bro. Check out my crib. Look at this. I installed a light.
Yeah, he needs to turn on the light.
Alright guys, we're gonna transfer. Just kidding, we're not transferring anywhere else.
Wait, we gotta, alright, everybody, I wanna come down here, we gotta spawn, alright, ready?
Yeah,
All
3, 2,
3, 2,
1. Yeah! Whoa. We got here.
Spawn.
There's salt rocks here. There's salt rocks. See, at first when I reviewed this place, I thought these were eggs, because it's Easter.
Yeah.
But they're salt rocks.
Hey, look, it's Captain. The tiny one.
Captain, if you're seeing this, rank your husband just roasted you, bro.
No, I'm not talking about like the little one.
And guys, I already reviewed mines, and there was nothing different about it. So,
You already reviewed my house.
Not even lights.
it's to Mountains map. So, come down here, yes.
Okay.
Come down here, rank.
Alright, we all gotta.
We're gonna go back in time one more time, just to travel there.
Time. You said time 2 times.
Ready?
Oh, I said time.
3, 2, 1. Oh, we spawned the wrong place. We're in the mountains map,
He farted!
but we're in. Well, there is lights, and it snows in here instead of rains. So that's something new. It feels cold
You're
here.
gonna go somewhere else. Isn't that
Look,
cool?
guys. I mean, you can see all the glass finally, because of how much lights there is.
Oh wait, what's this?
Whee!
Ah.
Well, guys, that was the end of the review, I think. Did we get everything in this update?
Think so.
You forgot Rank's performance.
Oh, yeah, Rick's performance.
It will be inside.
But, guys, again, this time, we're going to teleport back to Mir. Alright, we're going to teleport back to Mir. Just to clear some things up. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! I made it, but Guess didn't make it. Oh, yeah, he did.
Spawned here before.
I always spawn here.
Anyways,
Spawn here, bro.
so to clear some things up, guys. Listen. Join the Discord, which will be in the link in the description. Like, yeah, join. Could really use you guys. Oh, I was choking.
Sorry, my bad. I was joking.
And I'm coming back to TikTok, guys. I'm coming back to TikTok. Isn't that just great?
Everybody get under my umbrella. Everybody get under my umbrella.
You messing me? I will beat you. Don't mess with me. I'll beat you.
Oh, you don't want to go?
Anyways, guys, all I want to say is like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, join the Discord, link in the description, and go follow these two noobs on TikTok, which will also be in the description.
Dang, monkey, what are you
Bye,
doing with
guys.
that?